In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in UKG accounts. So friends, if you want to log in your accounts, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for UKG login. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. This is login page, as you can see here, friends. If you want to log in, just follow simple steps. Translate this to English to get you better result. Write your access enterprise code. So if you don't have the code, enterprise code, write this option, this one for a code. From here, you can get this code. As you can see here, friends, you will see the code. After that, you will get your codes. Once you will get this code, so just copy and paste this code here. This is for login. You can also use UKG app. You can download this app on Google Play or App Store. UKG Pro. Download this app. When you download, you can access your account with your own information. Just write your entrepreneur code here and then click continue. So this is how you can do, for example, this code. After that, click continue. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this video.